Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect to Vultr VPS using SSH and keys. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect to your Vultr VPS using SSH and SSH keys, first, ensure that you have a Vultr account and a deployed VPS. Next, generate an SSH key pair if you haven't done so already. On Linux and Mac OS, open your terminal. Type the command SSH keygen and press enter. When prompted, specify a file name or press enter to use the default. You may also set a passphrase for additional security if desired. Locate your public key, typically found in the /.ssh directory. Copy the public key to your clipboard using cat/.ssh/id_rsa.pub. Log into your Vultr account and navigate to the VPS section. Select the server you're working with. Locate the settings option in the server panel. Find the section labeled SSH keys. Click Add SSH key. In the provided field, paste your copied public key. Give your SSH key a recognizable name before saving. Return to your terminal. To connect to your VPS, you'll need the server's IP address. Type SSH root at your _server IP in your terminal, replacing your _server IP with the actual IP. If this is your first time connecting, you may receive a prompt regarding authenticity. Type yes to continue. If you set a passphrase on your SSH key, enter it when prompted. You should now be logged into your Vultr VPS via SSH. Congratulations, you have successfully connected using SSH keys. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.